Hello, my name is Andy Linneman of Diversified Brokerage, and today I have a message about group long-term disability policies. Now, first, let me emphasize that group long-term disability policies are an important part of any solid employee benefits program. However, most LTD policies have three fundamental problems that you should understand. First, all LTD policies have limits on how much income can be insured, usually $100,000 to $120,000 annually. This leaves many business owners and their highly compensated employees with an insufficient amount of coverage. In addition, most policies only cover base wages, not distributions, overtime, bonuses, commissions, etc. Finally, most policies cap the percentage of income that can be earned while on disability, typically at 60%, and this is usually taxable income. Now remember that most employees will typically have to pay for their own COBRA premiums, and they'll usually incur high out-of-pocket medical costs while out on disability. This can lead to a significant shortfall in cash available at a critical time. Cash needed for expenses like groceries, home loans, car loans, children's education, etc. I understand this problem better than most because I was recently on disability myself and spent an average of over $3,000 a month in medical premiums and out-of-pocket medical expenses. Now, the good news is there is a simple and affordable solution. Employers can add a supplemental disability policy which can increase disability income protection to 65 to 75%. This coverage is non-taxable and usually includes owners and highly compensated or key employees. I usually suggest including the top 5 incomes, as this will allow for no medical underwriting and a simple process for adding this important layer of income protection. And these policies are portable, which means that employees can take the policies with them should their employment terminate. By layering an additional group long-term disability policy for owners and high-income employees, all three of these group LTD problems can be remedied. I hope you'll take the time to call your benefits professional to talk about how they can help get out in front of this issue before a long-term disability occurs in your company. They can provide the guidance needed to address this problem and provide security for business owners and their key employees. Thank you for your time.